Mohamad here. In this course, you're gonna learn about Claude. How does Claude work? How you can use Claude as your sidekick to automate some of your tasks, and how do I use Claude on day-to-day basis. I'll show you exactly how you can use Claude the simplest form possible. A lot of people just complicate Claude just to make it look like it's a genius or it will replace your whole team, but that's not the case here. Claude is more of a sidekick for you rather than a tool that can replace a whole team. Okay, you still need to check on their work. I can tell you that I use Claude every single day, and most of the time, if it's a complex task, Claude does not get it done 100%, but I'd say 70% of the time they can complete a task somewhat correctly. They have a long way to go, but it does give you a lot more productivity if you use it right and if you do not overcomplicate things. Okay, and I want to show you everything on the simplest form possible. There is a lot of feature the Claude have. You don't use 100% of a tool that you use. Like you don't use Excel on its 100% capacity, because if you do, then you can literally hack a whole system using Excel. And they have Excel Bible, right? So I'm just gonna show you things that will help you to boost your productivity, help you to automate some of your tasks. And again, don't get in the hype of thinking that Claude just gonna replace your whole team. It's gonna help you to do everything autonomously 100%, but it's gonna get you 50 to 70% down, where you don't have to worry about a lot of things, right? So this is gonna be your sidekick. Now the first video is all about what is Claude AI. Okay, Claude AI is basically a I would say like your associate or like a sidekick on your day-to-day life. You can do a lot of things with Claude. First of all, you can chat with it just like ChatGPT. So you can literally ask question, they will do the research for you and they'll give you an answer. But you can do a lot more in 2026 with Claude, such as you can write papers with Claude, you can do coding with Claude, and you can also automate a lot of things with Claude, such as creating content for your social media, generating videos, building simple website, okay, for your personal business or personal life, right? Not a complex website like the enterprise level. You can also schedule tasks. For example, if you're getting a lot of email every single day, they can go through your email, find out what are the most important things that you have to tackle. It can help you to boost your productivity. If you want to draft email through Claude, you can also do that. They can automatically help you to draft responses on different emails that you're getting. You can approve it and you can send it. Obviously, you can run like end-to-end tasks, which I'll show you down the line. You can build framework that actually runs the task for you on a timely manner. Okay, now Claude is trying to be all-in-one software where you can do everything, but what you have to understand is Claude is a platform, is a business. Okay, now their business is let you use their platform so you can spend money on it. Their business is you burning tool, and that's how they make their money. Okay, so you have to understand that just because you could do something with Claude doesn't mean the Claude is the only tool that you should use. Okay, you should use some other tool in conjunction with Claude which can do the job better, which I'll show you down the line. And I'm gonna make it as simple as possible for you, where you don't have to learn every single tool. You just have to do good enough to use Claude to increase your productivity, get things done. But again, it needs human side. Okay, no matter what people tells you, right? There's a lot of people just make social media content about the hype of like Claude replaced X, Claude replaced Y. That's not the case. I can tell you that right now. Claude is very good at automating some part of your job, but if you're just depending on Claude, you're gonna be surprised how much mistake it makes. So you should be oversighting Claude. But I'm gonna show you how you can build out different tasks, different framework, so you can use Claude without having any prior knowledge and build systems that can help you to boost your productivity. So that's all for the first video. On the second video, we're gonna go through different level at different types of cloud platform that they have, so you can understand better about what kind of services they provide to make the best decision possible for you and your business.